Sun is rising and the skies are blue. What a scenery, it's true. Trees just bloomed, all dressed in white. Birds are singing, enjoying flight. I love this time of the year. I cherish it, I can hear the beautiful song of blooming nature, giving us earth and every creature. I feel peace in open skies. I see the beauty before my eyes. Every scene is a beautiful start. Nature lives inside my heart. Rivers flow so calm and free, whispering secrets just to me. Mountains breathe the morning air. Peace and hope are everywhere. I walk along this gentle way, feeling lighter every day. Heart is open, soul feels pure. Moments like this will endure. I feel peace in open skies. I see the truth before my eyes. Every scene is a beautiful start. Nature lives inside my heart. The fields all fresh and green, flowers smile in between. I smell the scent of glorious spring. It softly makes my spirit sing. Warm breeze dances through the land, holding dreams by gentle hand.